Sorry for the bad intro. Sorry for the bad intro. I don't know what's happening. I got a new update. Alright, so guys, Animal Company got a new update. Alright, let's go check it out. Also, stop, Riley. Also, the grappling sword got changed to this.
I have a shotgun. Just in case.
Guess what, Martinez? Well, my friend gave this to Martinez. Which one is it? This one. A full bag of pumpkins. Small.
We're gonna be opening them in a different video for gambling.
Not all of them. Not all of them.
Yeah, not all.
Because they're actually
are
really
super rare.
Alright, let's go to the new map. Do you have a flashlight?
Apparently, like, the new monster's like a computer thing.
Oh, hell yeah. Let's go. I need to use your light,
bro. It looks creepy as hell.
Bro, like, you're my light here. I forgot to bring a light, so yeah, you're kind of my light.
Why can't you just go back?
Oh, no, we're already too far in. What do I click? Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Come here.
And apparently, the main thing of it is the scooter.
Open.
I'm so scared.
I know, this is like a live reaction. I have never paid attention. Yo, what the hell? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no, Martinez.
I'm scared.
I am scared. Oh my god, he's on me. I see him. I see the monster. I see him. Martinez, I see him. Oh my god. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Chill, sir. Sir? Sir? Oh my god, what the hell? Sir. He's on me! Boom. Alright.
I'm ready to leave the game, bro. I'm so...
He's on me! He's on me! Martinez, I'm scared. I'm bucking it. Where are you? He has like a face on him, which is like the employee. Yeah. My drums are on. He has like a face on, and then he sees you, his like light goes all red, and then he grows arms out of nowhere. It's actually not that scary, but like. Oh, he sees me. I ain't scared of you. Yeah, I ain't scared of you. Ain't no way I'm scared of you, fam. I don't care. I'm just looking at him. Hi, Jen. No, I'm killing him. Pickaxe. Or I might nuke him. Oh, it has like a face. I'm on him. Like ice. It has like a girl face. It's a woman. It's a woman. She doesn't know how to cook, but yeah. Stabbing it. Right, I'm gonna just back off, lady. Please tell me you're not. Chill. No, there's only one. Right, that I Wait. When you look away. Oh, so when you look away, she goes horror mode, but when you look back, she's normal. Yeah. Yep. The exact copy. What? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, what you gonna do? Just eat? Yeah, you fatty. Yeah, you fatty. Bro, what are you gonna do? I kinda can. No, no. Why are you red? Uh-oh. Hell no. Hell no. Why are you so close? Marty, Alright, I'm gonna leave where I joined. It's not. No, it's not. Yeah. I know when you look away, you're cocked. It will come after you. But I will kill it. I ain't no scaredy cat, bro. I am getting our RPG and just going. I'm grabbing an RPG and going, you know what? Fire in the hole!
I need like I need.
It's just going to be a big explosion. Yeah. Sure. No, don't die. I know, but I'll. Wait, what? Wait, you need to go on an app again. Where are you?
Yo, I'm in the area.
Oh, I'm coming.
Hey, I saw you. See my light?
No.
Do you see my light, bro?
Oh yeah, Diddy. All right, come on, Diddy. No, Diddy, come on. She's not in here. She's over here. Right here. Whee! Here.
I'm scared.
Well, you have nothing to lose. She is somewhere in here. Just wait. Oi! Oi! Back here! Oh, there she is. Hello. She's right there. Yeah. Oh, hell no. Dare you to go kiss her. Give her a wee smooch. Go kiss her. Go! Jump! If you don't do it, you're gay. 5, 4, 3. If you don't do it, you're gay.
Hold on. Where is my ball?
I'm heading out on the
Right
road.
by me, isn't she?
Wait, don't look at her and go down.
I'm scared.
Oh,
Hey, sir.
Look away. Oh. Did she kill you? Why are you coming after me? He dipped so quick. Martinez. You dipped so quick. Was she an insta-kill? Crap! Wait, that's actually so bad. Bro, that is so hard then to kill her if she's an insta.
Dump it out, bro.
Yeah, this kid's.
Alright. Martinez. Alright. I'm nuking her. Guys, this is how we're ending the video. I'm nuking her.
Yeah, let's do this bullshit. You ready?
Yeah, hold on. I just gotta do some stuff. Alright, she's cocked. Wait, do I have anything on my bag? No, I don't. Alright, 2 things. Grappler and RPG. To be specific, a dragon. We're gonna bring the boom! If you know what I mean. We're gonna bring the boom! That's what we do! Beep. Guys, lag. Let's go, guys. Let's do this. Alright, Martinez, this is where we end the video.
Wait for me.
Where are you, Marty?
I'm at the start. Up here.
Come here! Hey! Where is your ass? Where are you? Oh, there she is. Take this! Killed her!
Oh, that crate.
That's mine.
I hear footsteps.
No, that's just a thing. Can you get that grappler for me, please? You have nothing to really lose. Thank you so much.
My VR is about to die.
Oh, Marty? Uh-oh. If you somehow do this, you're the goat. Oh my god. No! Get the Dragonheart RPG, that's it. Give me the thing. Got it. Get the Dragonheart. Get the Dragonheart. I can hold it. If you somehow do this.
I did it.
Give it. Oh my god, you have to go. Alright, guys, that's the end of the video. Hopefully she doesn't kill us while we're in here. And yeah, peace.